Hey everyone, in today's video, we're going to be diving into the mysterious world of fault code P0446, Evaporative Emission Control System Ventilation Control Circuit Malfunction. Now, I know what you're thinking, Evaporative Emission Control System Ventilation Control Circuit Malfunction? What in the world does that even mean? Don't worry, I'm here to break it down for you in plain English. We'll explore what this code means, what causes it, and most importantly, how to fix it. So, whether you're a seasoned mechanic or just a curious car enthusiast, join me as we unravel the secrets of fault code P0446 and get your car running smoothly again. The P0446 code indicates a malfunction in the Evaporative Emission Control System, EVAP, ventilation control circuit. This system is responsible for preventing fuel vapors from escaping into the atmosphere. When the EVAP system detects a leak, it triggers the P0446 code. Several potential causes can trigger the P0446 code. These include, faulty vent control valve. This valve regulates the flow of air into the EVAP system. A malfunctioning valve can prevent the system from properly venting, leading to the P0446 code. Damaged or loose EVAP hoses. Leaks in the EVAP hoses can allow fuel vapors to escape, triggering the code. Faulty fuel cap. A loose or damaged fuel cap can also cause the P0446 code. The fuel cap creates a seal on the fuel tank, preventing vapors from escaping. Purge valve malfunction. The purge valve opens and closes to allow fresh air into the EVAP system. A stuck or malfunctioning valve can prevent proper ventilation, leading to the code. EVAP canister malfunction. The EVAP canister stores fuel vapors until they can be safely burned by the engine. A damaged or clogged canister can prevent proper vapor storage, triggering the P0446 code. The P0446 code may not always present noticeable symptoms. However, some common symptoms include, check engine light illumination. This is the most common symptom of the P0446 code. Strong fuel odor. You may notice a strong fuel odor around your vehicle if there is a leak in the EVAP system. Poor fuel economy. A malfunctioning EVAP system can lead to increased fuel consumption. Difficulty starting the engine. In severe cases, the P0446 code can make it difficult to start your engine. If you are experiencing the P0446 code, it is important to have your vehicle diagnosed by a qualified mechanic. They will be able to identify the specific cause of the code and recommend the appropriate repairs. Here are some additional resources that you may find helpful. OBD2 trouble code P0446. https://www.obdcodes.com/P0446 Evaporative Emission Control System, https://www.epa.gov/Evaporative Emission Control Systems. How to fix a P0446 code, https://www.yourmechanic.com/article/P0446 OBD2 trouble code Evaporative Emission Control System Vent Control Circuit Malfunction by Spencer Clayton. I hope this information is helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions. The P0446 code indicates a malfunction in the Evaporative Emission Control System, EVAP, ventilation control circuit. This system is responsible for preventing fuel vapors from escaping into the atmosphere. To diagnose the P0446 code, you will need to use a scan tool to access the vehicle's onboard diagnostic (OBD) system. The scan tool will display the code and any related data, such as the fuel tank pressure sensor readings. Once you have the code and data, you can begin to diagnose the problem. Here are some steps to follow. Check the fuel tank pressure sensor. The fuel tank pressure sensor is located on the fuel tank and measures the pressure of the fuel vapors in the tank. If the sensor is faulty, it can send incorrect readings to the PCM, which can trigger the P0446 code. Inspect the EVAP vent valve. The EVAP vent valve is located on the charcoal canister and allows fresh air to enter the system. If the valve is stuck closed, it can prevent the system from venting properly. which can also trigger the P0446 code. Check the evap purge valve. The evap purge valve is located on the engine and allows fuel vapors to be purged from the charcoal canister and into the engine. If the valve is stuck open, it can allow too much fuel vapor to enter the engine, which can also trigger the P0446 code. Inspect the evap hoses and lines. The evap hoses and lines connect the various components of the system. If there are any leaks in the hoses or lines, it can prevent the system from functioning properly, which can also trigger the P0446 code. Once you have diagnosed the problem, you can begin to repair it. Here are some steps to follow. Replace the fuel tank pressure sensor. If the fuel tank pressure sensor is faulty, it will need to be replaced. Clean or replace the evap vent valve. If the evap vent valve is stuck closed, it can be cleaned or replaced. Replace the evap purge valve. If the evap purge valve is stuck open, it will need to be replaced. Repair or replace the evap hoses and lines. If there are any leaks in the evap hoses or lines, they will need to be repaired or replaced. The P0446 code is a relatively common code, and it can be caused by a variety of factors. If you are experiencing this code, it is important to diagnose and repair the problem as soon as possible. Here are some additional notes on the P0446 code. The P0446 code can be caused by a loose or damaged gas cap. The P0446 code can be caused by a faulty charcoal canister. The P0446 code can be caused by a problem with the vehicle's wiring. If you would like to learn more about the evap system and the P0446 code, you can consult a variety of resources, including the Vehicle's Service Manual, online repair manuals, automotive forums, your local mechanic. By understanding the evap system and the P0446 code, you can better diagnose and repair the problem if it occurs in your vehicle.